first step to replacing your trolley's LED is to flip the trolley onto its wheels and lift up the handle. This allows you to now push in the LED, which removes it from its housing. Now close the trolley up and place it on its stabilizer, removing the rear wheels. Using one of the rear wheels as support, place the trolley down so the electronics are facing up. Now take your T20 screwdriver and remove the 12 screws from the under tray. We have slowed these down so you can see where the screws are that need to be removed. Once the screws are removed, you can now take off both of the under trays. Using the T20 screwdriver, remove the 4 screws from the ECU housing. Once all the screws are removed, gently pull out the electronic cables, followed by the ECU. You can then find the cable that leads to the LED and pull it out off the housing hole. Then locate where the cable is attached to the ECU and remove it using a solder. Finally, de-wick the old solder from the ECU. You can now begin installing the new LED. Start by running the new cable through the black grommet and attaching to the ECU as shown on screen. Once the cable is attached correctly, solder it to the ECU. You can now place the ECU back into the housing, making sure the black grommets are fit correctly. Screw the ECU back into its housing, using the 4 screws you removed earlier. Now that the ECU is back into place, push through the LED hole to remove the black housing. You can then feed the new LED cable through the hole. The final step before placing the under trays back on is making sure the electronic cables fit into their slots as shown on screen. Now take the under trays and place them back on accordingly, attaching with the screws you removed earlier. Once the under trays are attached, flip the trolley back over. Slot the LED into the black housing, as shown on screen, and push it into the hole. Now flip the trolley over and attach the rear wheels and insert the battery to test the new LED.